A company is evaluating a project that requires initial investment of 60 lakhs. We all are on 5.1.8. In a fixed asset and 12 lakhs towards additional working capital. Working capital, we have done it once. The project is expected to increase the annual real cash flow before tax by rupees 24 lakhs during its life. The fixed asset would have zero residual value at the end of the life of 5 years. The company follows the straight line method of depreciation, which is expected for tax purposes also. Inflation is expected to be 6% per year. For evaluating similar projects, the company uses discounting rate of 12% in real terms. The company's tax rate is 30%. Advise whether the company should accept the project by calculating NPV in real terms. Now, whether this is a factor of 12%, there is some mistake because this is also 12% and this is also 12%. Both cannot be 12%. Find out what is 1 divided by 1.12. It is 0.893, right? So this is 12%. Sure. What is this? This should be 8. No, if this is 12%, this would be 6%. Probably. Find out. 1 divided by 1.06. Yes. This is not 12%. This is 6%. So let us first find out just cash flows. So what is given? Please try to understand. The project is expected to increase annual real cash flow before tax by 24 lakhs. Please try to understand. The project life is 5 years and every year it will increase the cash flow by 24 lakhs. So it is 1 to 5 years. So I am not writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will tell you why. I am not doing this. What I am writing is 1 to 5. What is expected increase in real cash flow? Real cash flow, but before tax is 24 lakhs. Tell me, in this depreciation would have been deducted or would not have been deducted? Can anyone tell me depreciation would have been deducted or not deducted? It is before tax. Yes. Is it alright? Why? It is real cash flow before tax. The answer is no. It is not yes. Real cash flows. Depreciation is a non-cash expenditure. It would not have been deducted from this particular figure. So for finding out real tax, first we will have to deduct depreciation. I can do this in two manners, as this is the first question. I'll be doing it by both the methods. First, I am deducting depreciation minus depreciation. Now sir, depreciation is by straight line method. Yes. So for all 5 years, the depreciation is going to remain same. Yes. Residual value, zero residual value. Right? How to find out depreciation by straight line method? Cost minus scrap value divided by number of years. This is 12 lakhs. All of you know straight line method of depreciation, right? Cost minus scrap value divided by number of years. So what is my depreciation? 12 lakhs. What will be profit before tax? See, now I am converting the name. Now it is no longer a cash flow. Once I deduct a non-cash expenditure, it is no longer a cash flow. So profit before tax will be 12x. Sir, for which year? For all the years. In all the years, this amount is going to remain same, in this amount is going to remain same. So if we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, all the figures would be repeated. This figures would be repeated, this figures would be repeated. So we have written in heading 1 to 5 years. What is profit before tax? 12x. Minus tax. I told you never to find out tax. Profit after tax. What is the tax rate? 30%. So profit after tax will be 70%. 70% of 12x. It is 8,40,000. Will be profit after tax. All of you are knowing this, right? This will be 30%. So this will be 70%. Profit after tax will be 70%. But sir, I have deducted depreciation. Add back the depreciation. Plus depreciation is 12x. 20 lakh 40,000. 20 lakh 40,000, sir, will be cash flow for first year, yes. Second year, yes. Third year, yes. Fourth year, yes. Fifth year, yes. So instead of drawing 5 columns, I have written that in all the years my cash flow is going to remain same. Sir, how you got the hint that we should prepare only one column? Number one, all the cash flow in all the years were same, 24 lakhs. Depreciation is by straight line method. In straight line method, depreciation remains same every year. So that figure is also same. There are no other figures except taxation. So all the figures are same for all 5 years. As I told you, as this is first lecture, I am giving you another method of finding out this 20 lakh 40,000 also that we have done in classroom. 1 to 5 years. What is cash flow before tax is 24 lakhs? Deduct depreciation. No. Why? Depreciation is a non-cash expenditure. Don't deduct it. Directly deduct tax. Minus tax. So this will be profit after tax. Profit after tax is 24 lakhs into 70%. 24 lakhs into 70%. 16 lakh 80,000. But sir, depreciation is not a cash expenditure, but because of depreciation there will be tax savings, which is cash benefit. So I should add that benefit, add it, plus tax benefit on depreciation. How to find out tax benefit on depreciation is depreciation multiplied by tax rate. What is depreciation per annum? We have already found out. 12x multiplied by 30%, which is the 3 lakh 60,000. This will be 20 lakh 40,000. Sir, which method you should follow? You can follow any method, but you should know both the methods. It is not so that you will not know this method and it will do. You will have to learn both the methods how to solve this cash flow. So, what are the cash flow from 1 to 5 years? It is a 20 lakh 40,000. Is there any scrap value at the end of 5 years? No. Sorry. I will be finding out present value at the rate of 12%. Now, sir, it is given using discounting rate of 12% in real terms. Inflation rate is also given. Is it all? This will be doing in risk analysis in capital budgeting. Right now, you can ignore that inflation part. What is the discounting rate? 12%. So we can assume it is our required rate of return. Find out present value of at 12%. Try to understand this denomination means this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cash flow is 20 lakh 40,000, 20 lakh 40,000, 20 lakh 40,000, 20 lakh 40,000, and 20 lakh 40,000. Is it all right? And you need to find out present value of this at the rate of 12%. So you should not confuse that this is cash flow only at the end of 5th year. This is cash flow for all the years. So I am finding out present value of this. 1 divided by 1.12 is equal to m plus 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 5 times MRC multiplied by 20 lakh 40,000, which is 73 lakh 53,743. I have written it correctly. 73 lakh 53,743. Yes, you are with me or you are behind me? Alright. Now, let us go to working capital. This is present value at the rate of 12%. Alright. What is working capital? Can you tell me? These are all cash inflows. Huh? These are inflows. Let me also write down cash outflows. Cash outflows. At the end of 0 year, the cash outflow will be 60 lakhs. Is there a point of working capital? Yes. And 12 lakhs towards additional working capital. So 12 lakh working capital is required. As we have understood in introductory lecture, working capital is cash outflow for 0 year and it is a cash inflow for the last year. Is it all right? So along with the 60 lakhs at the end of 0 year, there will be working capital outflow of 12 lakhs also. So what will be total cash outflow is the 72 lakhs. This both are lakhs. All right. Sir, it will be cash inflow at the end of 5th year. How much? 12 lakhs. Sir, we have already found out present value. Still, it is absolutely all right. You can also find out present value of this 12 lakhs separately. Whether you find out separately or whether you combine it and find out, your answer is going to remain same. Is it right? Tell me, one of the students, why I cannot add 12 lakhs to this figure, 73, 53, 743. Anyone? Why I cannot add this 12 lakhs to this? Or subtract? It is cash inflow, right? Yes. So this is outflow. This is inflow. So I need to subtract it. But why I cannot subtract it? Tell me, the 73 lakh 53,743 is at the end of this 0 year. I have already found out present value. Present value means it is at the end of 0 year, right? This is at the end of 5th year. You cannot subtract it directly from here. You will have to find out present value of this. How to find out present value? 12 lakh into 1 divided by 1.12 raised to 5. It is 1 divided by 1.12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 12 lakhs. Which is 6,80,912. 6,80,912. This now I can deduct. Sir, why? Yes. All right. So this is 6,80,912 is your inflow. Why? It will be cash outflow at the end of 0 year and it is cash inflow at the end of 5th year. I am not combining it with this cash flow. I am finding out that answer separately. I cannot directly deduct 12 lakhs because it is at the end of 5th year. This value 6,80,912 is at the end of 0 year. So I can deduct it from this figure 73,53,743 minus 6,80,091. It is 66,72,831. What is this? Present value. It is at the end of 0 year of cash inflow. I have made a mistake, right? This 73,53,743 is inflow or outflow? 73,53,743 is inflow or outflow? 20,40,000 is cash inflow or outflow? Inflow. So present value will be cash inflow. This is also cash inflow. So I should add it, not subtract it. It will be added. This is not outflow. This is inflow. So inflow plus inflow is 73,53,743 plus 6,80,912. 80,34,655. This is the present value of cash inflow. NPV, present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. We are having present value of cash inflow 80,34,655 minus present value of cash outflow 72 lakhs. My NPV will be 80,34,655 minus 72 lakhs, which is 834,655. Rupees is NPV. They are not asking me whether to accept the project or not. Still, I'll be writing down accept the project because NPV is positive. One small question and we are going to go ahead. Why I have not found out this present value in this manner? 1 divided by 1.12 is equal to m plus 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 is equal to m plus. MRC recall multiplied by 12 lakhs. So why I have not done this? See, what I have done is 1 divided by 1.12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have not pressed m plus. I have directly pressed is equal to multiplied by 12 lakhs. This is how I have found out the answer. Why I have not done is equal to m plus is equal to m plus? Exactly. Cash flow is only in 5th year. It is not for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 years. Here the cash flow is for all 5 years. Here the cash flow is only at the end of 5th year. Again, this is categorized as easy question, not a very difficult question. This was 5.1.8. Next question.